Habsburg Management excels in its industry because we have nearly 400 employees dedicated to providing quality business environment for our tenants, our customers. Habsburg Management through the years has supported a number of organizations that are active in the community, and we're very proud of that. We're actively involved, as I said, in the Waltham Education and Beyond Foundation, helping to fund and promote programs that the schools can otherwise afford. Work readiness and Junior Achievement does it better than anybody else, I think.
My favorite part of the Junior Achievement was the JA Skills to Achieve program when we went to care.com and we got to work with the resume builders, and we worked on building our own resume and working with the marketing team of care.com.
Junior Achievement, the way it prepares young people for the workforce, that exposure helps a great deal to eliminate the culture shock that comes from leaving high school or college to a much more structured environment, which can be sometimes overwhelming to a new employee.
I'm very grateful for the Junior Achievement experience because it kind of opened my eyes to the work world and having a 9-to-5 job in an office, which you see it in movies, but it's not as real as it could be. So I think the experience that I got was kind of eye-opening, and it made me realize what's ahead.
My advice to you would be, love your job. Every day I get up, I want to come to work. And when you're that motivated, you can't help but do a good job.